Hello and welcome to another AIC Productions video, and welcome to my absolutely filthy garage. So, as you can see here, I have two seats. These seats were in there. We'll look in there in just a minute. What I'm doing is I'm actually replacing my seats. I ordered some Corbeau, however you pronounce it, seats. One of the reasons why I ordered from them is they have a Mazdaspeed Protege specific bracket to install the seats. But they are showing up tomorrow, so I need to get these ones out so I can get the new ones in. I will be selling these, getting rid of these seats after I put the new ones in. One of the reasons why I'm getting rid of these is they're starting to fall apart here a little bit. And they're stained. Pretty bad. I've tried to clean this and it won't come clean. And also, I don't find that they hold me in very well. The car is an amazing handling car, but the seats don't hold you in, so you kind of slide out of them when you go around corners, which is terrible for a car that has amazing handling. So one of the things that you have to do is take the old seat belt buckles off the seats, because they're bolted onto the seat itself. They're under these plastic panels here. There's one screw in this hole right here. It's just a little Phillips, and then you can, once you loosen that, just kind of eke this to the side. And then right here is the bolt that the buckle is bolted, or the hole that the buckle is bolted into. And here they are, taking them off already. So this is the driver's side. You can tell it's the driver's side because it has the wire for the sensor. This is the passenger side. On mine, the bolts are self-retaining, so they aren't going to fall out. They are 17 millimeter. To take the seats out, these are 14 millimeter. And they're super easy. It's just 4 bolts, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. I've slid it all the way back. Excuse me, I slid all the way forward to the 2 in the back, then slid it all the way back into the 2 in the front. And then I folded them, fold them forward as far as they go, and they just lifted right out. Super easy. And then what I did is I took a chance to vacuum the carpets as best as I could. I have my little shop vac. I got that for Father's Day for my wife almost 10 years ago, and it has been one of my favorite gifts I've received. Got the carpets all vacuumed up, ready for the seats. Have all the trash that's in here. So that right there, if anybody's curious, that's the sign I usually put under the windshield at car shows, and it just has some information about it. I really need to get something together for the big show I'm going to. If anybody's made a sign or something for their Mazdaspeed Protege and has a picture or a file or something they want to share with me, I have all my contact information in the description down below. Hit me up there. Let me know what you got. I have, where is it? Sorry, my garage is a mess because I've had so many projects. I have this green wrap. I'm thinking of wrapping there and there around the radio bezel and around the shift, because the plastic's pretty beat up. Haven't made a decision yet if I want to do this or if I want to do something else, or just leave it be and have it be all scratched up. It really depends on how much time I have, and the answer to that is almost none, because I'm going out of town in a week. Less than a week, in just a few days actually. I'll be gone for a week and a half. Alright, we're back at the hood. The paint is showing up Friday, so today is Tuesday. Seats are showing up, oh, camera focus. Seats are showing up Wednesday. Paint showing up Friday. Hopefully Friday middle of the night I can paint this and get it done before I have to go out of town. And then when I come back, I can work on stickers. So just running low on time. I waited too long, didn't have the money, finally got the money together to do some of this stuff, and then I just ran out of time. So anyways, if you have any thoughts, suggestions, feelings, whatever, leave those in the comment section down below. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, ring the bell, all that jazz for more videos. There'll be a few more as I finish this up for the car show. I got some more computer videos coming up. I kind of post videos on whatever I'm thinking about, working on, whatever, so you'll always get a good variety from me. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.